Hello guys, in this video, we will solve the problem of failure to install applications from the Google Play Store in an easy way, without programs, only from these steps that I will explain in this video. But before broadcasting in the explanation, do not forget to subscribe to the channel, please. And thank you very much to everyone who subscribed to the channel and pressed the like button on the video. I hope to God that you get everything you wish for. Now let's go to the explanation. The first step is to go to the settings. First we go to the applications and click on the applications again. After that we search for the Google Play Store application from among the applications that we have here. When we find the Google Play Store application, we click on it. After that we click on storage, then click on clear data, and do not worry, it will not delete any data related to the applications or anything. We will only delete the Google Play Store's data. What happened to data? You go back, then click on use data. After that you activate these options. Mobile data is activated, roaming data is activated, and if you see Wi-Fi data, do it also. Now after doing these operations, go to the Google Play Store and try downloading any application from among the applications you have, or any application you want, and you will find that your problem has been successfully solved. Canada, today's topic. I hope you liked it and benefited from it. For any questions, suggestions or advice, write it in the comments and we will meet in an